A couple months ago, a company called Youngspeeds went ahead and hit me up. They were like, hey, we would like to make you a custom fishing jersey. I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool. I've never had a fishing jersey at all, so of course I went ahead and went with the process. And here, 3 months later, they went ahead and shipped me this thing. So let's put it on. Okay, that was probably either a really good transition or absolutely horrible. But today, this might actually help us in this video. Here's what we're fishing today. It is post-storm. It was just raining for the past 3 hours. However, it was pretty warm rain, so the bite should be pretty good today. I've been getting a lot of requests to make some more fly fishing videos, so that is what the topic of today is gonna be about. Before I forget, if you wanna go ahead and make yourself your own custom jersey, all the links are down below. Go check them out. If you can see behind me, I got my 2 friends, Nathan and Ethan, and I'm holding a fly rod today. Every single year, we fish this pond and we have what's called an annual fly fishing showdown. Last year, your boy managed to get the W, but this year, both of those guys have increased their skill in fly fishing. Maybe they will be good enough to defeat me. Oh, that's all jokes. Nathan's actually really good. Rules are very simple. Hey, do you guys, that'll be a 2.
No, point and a half.
Okay, point and a half, okay. Rules of this challenge are simple. We fish until we can't fish anymore. A bass counts as 3 points, crappie counts as 2, and a bluegill counts as 1. Any other species that manage to be caught will be worth 1.5 points. I know you guys are pretty excited to see who wins. Go ahead, comment who do you think will win this challenge. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. I'm thinking if we can go ahead and get a good start today, we do have a good chance of winning. Oh, frog. Oh, sick. All right, cool. Whenever the frogs are around in the pond, that just kind of indicates to me that topwater is about to turn on. For anyone who's interested, this is the fly I'm throwing. It was a pretty fluffy, woolly bugger-ish type fly, but now it's just covered in water. Oh man, I'm so unorganized. I'm not an experienced fly fisherman, as you can probably tell. Bite's gonna be pretty interesting. Oh, that's another frog. Nearly scared the living daylights out of me. If I observe these fish eating topwater later, that might be what I'm gonna tie on. Nothing has even slightly touched this fly. Oh, fish on, bass, yes, let's go, bass, yes, whoa, let's go, okay, all right, come here, buddy. What a way to start the day. That is a solid under 1 pounder, but I now have the lead of 3 points. Yes, let's go. Nice. All right. See you, buddy. Thanks for, oh, no, wrong way. Ah, there you go. Figured it out. Let's go. Woo! Now that we've got our first fish, things are a lot better. I'm a lot more calmed down. I was a bit worried that the fish were not gonna eat after this rainstorm, but luckily they are. I'd say the jerseys bring some luck today. Oh, there's one. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a bass. Yeah, sick. Let's go. No, it's a crappie. All right, that's 5 points for me, y'all. Where there's one crappie, there's many. See ya. Wait, is my fly gone? Wow, darn. That's not good. Wow, oh, okay. Hey Nate, I think my fly just ran away. Took the tippet with it too. All right, I'll just make do with what I got. I'll return this tippet to you like in a year or so. I need it. Decided to switch things up a little bit, tie on a nice chartreuse popper. I mean, any of you guys who fly fish know that topwater bites are the sickest things you can ever encounter in the field of fly fishing. Oh, no way. Wait a second. Wait a second. Did I just get bit right there? Oh, there's one. Oh no! Are you kidding me? Woo. Okay, I need to sit down. I need to calm down. All right, Nate's got one. What is it? Crop. Okay, Nate's got 2 points. I gotta start catching some, or else they're gonna catch up. I mean, it's great that they're catching fish, you know. I hate if they got skunked. Oh, this is such a hard choice. I barely have any flies. Look how empty this box is. Let's throw this beetle. Whew. There's one. Okay, that's a bass. That's so weird. Why are the bass more active than, wait, no, that's a crappie. Little crappie, see ya. All right, that right there is 7 points. The hookup ratio with this is amazing. Oh, what the? Okay. Guys, I found a school crappie. Nice. All right. Oh, nope. Now you're a muddy crappie. There we go. Yeah. Oh, nice. Let me see. I have 9. There's one. All right, see you, buddy. Hi, Finn. Yeah, you can be in the video. Finn says, can I be in the video? I like waffles. All right, we're gonna try and get on a fish and show you guys on the live stream. That would be pretty cool. All right, that was pretty far. That was pretty far, guys. Oh no! No! I missed it! I missed it! That was a good take too. I'm gonna catch one right here. Oh! I think I saw one moving towards it. It's a struggle bus out here, guys. As soon as I turned on the live stream, I just haven't hooked a fish ever since. Nate, do you need a roll? Yeah. All right, well, guess we have to call it here, guys. Sorry, I hate to disappoint you guys, but Nathan's got to go. I got to film the outro.
I like dry flies in the summertime because they're super fun to catch fish on, especially in winter.
No way! I did it! I did it on the live stream. Yes, let's go! That was last minute. I was packing up and then I just took a cast at the bank. That's what you guys stayed on for. Sorry, it's nothing special, but we got a fish on the live stream. See you, buddy. Thank you for being the live stream fish. It's now kind of dark. Nathan left. I got Ethan right here. He's waiting for me to finish up the outro so then he can leave. But you guys saw what happened. I somehow managed to win my 2nd in a row annual fly fishing competition at this pond. It was a lot of fun. Fish were definitely tricky to figure out, but in the end we did manage to kind of see their behavior. Water's warming up a lot, so as you could see, the panfish were just on fire today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you liked it. If you haven't already subscribed, please help me hit that 10K mark by the end of this year. It's a goal of mine. I don't want to talk too much. I'm kind of tired. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, folks, you already know, fish for the adventure.